Hello students, welcome in your English class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic of English grammar. It is a very important topic in English grammar. It is what is narration. Today we are going to discuss about narration. First of all, we will discuss what is narration or definition of narration. Narration means it is the act of reporting the words of speaker. Narration is of English grammar. It is the act of reporting the words of speaker. Now there are two ways to express narration. First, direct speech, and second, indirect speech. Direct speech, actual words are quoted. The actual words of the speaker is direct speech. Direct speech are the actual words. The same word of the speaker are quoted, then it is a direct speech. Okay, and that are enclosed in inverted comma. You must understand, you must remember that in direct speech are the actual words are quoted and these are enclosed in inverted comma. Now come to the indirect speech. Actual words are transformed. Actual words. In direct speech, the actual words of the speaker are transformed and these are not included. Okay, the words are not included in inverted comma. So you must remember, in direct speech, actual words or the same word or real word of the speaker is written or are written or quoted, and these are always kept in inverted comma. But in indirect speech, actual words of the speaker are transformed and these are not kept in inverted comma. Okay, so let's see the example of direct speech. He said to me. Okay, I am playing. He said to me. Say to is here reporting verb. Say to. Okay, see it carefully and listen it also. Say to is here reporting verb. I am playing. These are the actual words of the speaker. So these are kept in inverted comma. Say to is here reporting verb and I am playing here a reporting speech. There are two parts. Okay, first part is reporting verb. Okay, that part that is written in blue words. Say to, I have already make it underlined. Say to is reporting verb and I am playing, that part is kept in inverted comma, is reported speech. Okay, you got it? Okay, you must know about reporting verb and reported speech. Now we have to change that the indirect part. He said to me that he was playing. He said to me that he was playing. Here inverted comma is replaced with that. Okay, then tense is also changed in indirect speech. Here the actual words of the speaker or indirect speech has been transformed. Okay, so that's why right side hand is indirect speech and left side is direct speech. See now two ways of direct and indirect speech. Indirect speech, I am playing, here is reported speech and say to is here reporting verb. Okay, he said to me. Okay, we have changed the tense. Okay, actual words are changed. Okay, I am playing is changed into that she was playing. So actual words for I am playing and in indirect speech we have transformed the word, we have changed the actual words of the speaker into that she was playing, so it is indirect speech. Things you should know. First thing, what things you should know? First, subject and object, then first person, second person and third person. Okay, how you have to change direct into indirect speech? You must remember these three things. First, you must know about subject and object, then persons. There are three kind of persons: first person, second person and third person. And then you must know about the tense. First of all, we will discuss about first subject and object. Here Sazia said to Johan. Okay, Sazia said to Johan. Sazia is a here speaker and Johan is here listener. So Sazia is here subject and Johan here is object. Now point of view that first person, second person and third person. Second thing you must know about the persons. First person, second person and third person. How you will come to know about first person, third person, second person and third person. First person, suppose two persons are talking with each other. Okay, first person, second person. Two persons are talking with each other about any third person. Okay, there are two persons in a room and they are talking about a person that is not present in that room. Okay, so the person who are talking with each other, the speaker will be the first person and the listener will be the second person. And what about they talking? Okay, if they are talking about the person who is not present in the room, that is a third person. First person, there are two persons present in the room. Okay, the person who is speaking is the first person, the person who is listening, that is second person, and the person that is not present in the room, okay, to whom we are talking about, that is not present in the room, okay, or not present when you are talking with each other. When two persons are talking with each other, then the third person is not present. Then suppose John and Sazia is talking with each other. Sazia said to Johan. Sazia is here subject, John is here object. But they are talking about any other person like Shweta. That Shweta is not present in the room, then Shweta is here third person. You got it? Now come to know about persons. Okay, first person, I, my, me, we are, us. I, my, me, we are, us. Okay, mine, ours. Second person, you, your, yours. Third person, he, she, it, they, them, their, his, him, hers. Okay, these are third person. You must remember about the third person, first person and second person. Okay. Now third concept, first concept we have discussed, that is about that was about reporting verb or reporting speech. Okay, then about subject and object. Second concept we discuss about the persons, and now third concept we are going to discuss about tense. Okay, tense, there are three kinds of tense: present, past and future, and each have three parts: simple, continuous, perfect continuous tense. So total tense are here 12. Okay, now how to change reporting verb? Reporting verb, said to change into told. If said is there, then it will remain said. Is say to, then tell, says to, then tells. If only say is here, reporting verb is in only say, then you will keep remain same say. Okay, if will say is there, will say to is there, then you will change will tell to, will tell. Now identification. Okay, there are three aspects of three step. There are three step. Okay, how you have to change direct speech into indirect speech, you must remember 3 steps. One by one I will discuss with you. First step, you have to identification, then second step, change of reporting verb, and then replace with that. First of all, we will discuss about these 3. First step, you must know identify, then change of reporting verb, then replace with that. Identification, change of verb, reporting verb, replace with that, change of person. Fourth step is change of person. Now change of pronoun. Okay, I want to remember again you that first person you must follow the formula of SON son. First person you have to change subject into subject, second person you have to change into object, and third person no change. Third person is always remain same, there is a no change in third person. You have to follow the formula of SON. First person change into subject, second person change into object, and third person there will be no change in pronoun. Now we have to follow the 6 steps. Okay, these are the 6 steps. Okay, you must take the screenshot of this slide. There are the 3 steps. Okay, you must remember. First, identification, then identify. Second, change of reporting verb. Third step, replace with that. Fourth, change of pronoun. Fourth step, change of tense. And fifth step, update the specific words. Specific words are given, then you must update. Okay, I will tell you about the specific word. First of all, we will discuss about now let's see present tense, how you have to change the tense. Present tense, a simple present change into simple past. Present continuous tense change into past continuous. Present perfect change into past perfect. If you have that forget about the identification and the formation of tense, then you must see my videos on tenses. Okay, to revive your chapter of tense, regarding if you want to revive your chapter tenses, then you must see the videos of tenses which I have sent or which I have shared with you already. So present perfect continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. Past tense, simple past change into past perfect. Past continuous tense, okay, past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense, there will be no change. Then about future. Okay, will, shall, will change into would, shall change into should, and modal auxiliaries can change into could or may change into might. Now let's see how we have to change the specific word. Okay, update the specific words. You must remember, if in direct speech here is given, then you must change into there. Here change into there. Tomorrow, then next day. Today change into that day. Yesterday, the previous day. This change into that. Now, then. Tonight, that night. These are the specific words you have to change. Okay, identification. In identification, you must remember subject and object, then reporting verb, then persons, and then you must recognize about the tense. In tense, okay, say to in reporting verb, you must remember say to change into told, Said will remain said. Say to, tell. Says to, tells. Change of persons. First person change into subject. Second person change into object. And third person no change. Tenses. You must change the tense of reporting speech according to the given rule table. Update the specific words. Now let's see the example how you have to change direct speech into indirect speech. First of all, example is here. He said to me, I am playing football with you now. Here you must recognize, first of all, reporting verb. Okay, we will discuss about the reporting verb. She is here subject. Said to is here reporting verb. And me is here object. She is talking with me. So, she is here speaker. Then it is subject here. And then me, she is talking with or she is saying something to me. Then me is here object because me is here listener. Subject, you must recognize about subject and object and then reporting verb. Reporting verb is here said to. Okay, then inverted comma is here. Clear beta? Now, see the pronoun. I is here. I is here. Which person is there? It is a first person. And then check the tense of a reporting speech. The portion which is given in the blue words, these are reporting verb. And the portion which is given in red words, it is a reporting speech. So there are two parts, reporting verb and reporting speech. In short, you can say RV and RS. So I is here first person and I am playing, it shows that it is a present continuous tense. So RV you have to change. Change RV. Okay, reporting verb you have to change said to into told. Replace with that. Inverted comma here. Replace. Inverted comma should be replaced with that. You must write at that. Okay, by replacing inverted comma. So your tense will be she said to me that or she told me that. She told me that. Now there is a turn of pronoun. Pronoun is here I and I is here subject. So subject replace first person, sorry. I is here first person and first person change according to first subject. Subject of RV is here she. So I is replaced with she. I will change into she. And another pronoun is here you and you is here second person and second person is changed into object. Object see here which is object me. So you is replaced with the me. Got it? Now change the tense. I am playing. I am playing is a present continuous tense and present continuous tense change into past continuous tense. Is MR change into was were. Now there is a turn of specific words change. Specific word is here given now and now is changed into then. Got it beta? So your sentence will be how you will change direct into indirect. Okay, got it? She told me that she was playing football with me then. Got it beta? So see the next example. They said we will plan a picnic tomorrow. They is here subject, said reporting verb. Okay, then object is not here. We, okay, we is here person and it is a first person. And then recognize the tense. Will plan. Here will is here future simple future tense. So reporting verb said replace inverted comma that. They said that and we is the first person. First person is changed according to subject. Subject here they. So we will replace we with the they, and will change into would according to the tense. Future tense will change into would. Then specific word is here tomorrow, and tomorrow is changed into the next day. So your tense will be, your indirect speech will be, they said that they would plan a picnic the next day. Got it? Okay student. So you must revise, you must learn the rule table of how you have to change direct into indirect speech, and you must remember about the persons, okay, reporting verb and reporting speech. Everything you have to write in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.